Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to log in your slave instances using the PAGEANT with the Windows. If you are using the Windows, you can use this method to log in your slave instances. So in my case, I have total 3 instances. So I'm using Ansible actually. So this is my master and a slave, and so these two slaves I have. These 3 instances having the same key, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So for this, you need a tool called PAGEANT. So if you are using Windows, if you are user of a Windows user, so you can go for the PAGEANT tool. So I already downloaded this PAGEANT. You can go to the Google and download and install. Here I'm showing you how you can do this. So this is the PAGEANT. You have to install this PAGEANT once, then you have to click it. So once you click this PAGEANT, you can see in your task manager or whatever you are using. So you can see this icon. So PAGEANT will be there here. So let's see how to do this. For this, I'm going to log in my master machine. So this is my IP of the master machine. So once I click this one and copy this your public IP, and I'm giving connection timeout to 40, and usually you will go to the authentication and you will go to the credentials. Here you will put your PPK file. But instead of that, we are going to authentication, and here you can see allow agent forwarding. You have to enable this one, and once you enabled this, you can able to log in. But in our case, we did not added our key into PAGEANT. Before we are giving allow agent, you can go to the PAGEANT and you can add your public key here. So go to your PAGEANT and right click this icon. You can see here view keys. In view keys, you don't have any keys and you have to add your PPK file here. Here is my PPK file, which is ansible.ppk, and I just added this key to my PAGEANT. Once you added, you no need to insert your key in this putty. Directly you can give allow agent forwarding, tick this one and give open, and you can see here you can able to access your putty via your server. So this is my EC2 instance. Right now, I entered with the as the EC2 user, and from here you can able to log in with your slave instances. You can copy your public key of your slave instances and go to the putty, and here using SSH EC2 hyphen user at the rate of your public IP. By entering that, you are entering into your slave machine directly. You can see here 172.31.35.232, which is your slave machine public IP. So like this, you can enter into slave machine without worrying into that. So now I exited from my slave machine, and currently I am in the master machine. You can see the IP 172.31.39.34, and again I'm going to try with slave machine 2. So for that, I'm again copying the public IP of the slave 2 machine, EC2 hyphen user at the rate of the public IP. By that way, first time I'm connecting here. So and now you can see 172.31.45.26, which is my slave machine to IP. Like this, you can using PAGEANT, you can log in the all your slave machines without entering into the without login from the your master machine. So if you like this video, give thumbs up subscribe my channel, follow for the more kind of videos. Thanks for watching.